The Las Vegas Television Network presents Las Vegas Sports Party with Al Bernstein, an original weekly 1-hour program.
Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Sports Party. I'm delighted that you joined us today. Today, we come to you from the press conference for the Jermaine Taylor-Bernard Hopkins fight.
With over 25 years as a top-notch, nationally known sportscaster, Al Bernstein is uniquely qualified to look at the world of sports with a Vegas slant.
And I don't know how, to this day, Ali was able to sustain through all that.
Al's guests include some of the biggest, high-profile, influential names in sports and Hollywood.
All he wants to do is sit around and goof off, goof on you, be goofed on, enjoy the people around him.
He brings this experience to Las Vegas Sports Party with an opening program monologue, which is one of the most well-written and insightful commentaries in all of sports.
And that alone will have an impact on whether he makes the Hall, because many of the writers that vote for the Hall could very well keep him out simply because of that.
Each show includes major celebrities from both the sports and entertainment world, who, along with his commentary, benefit from Al's easygoing delivery.
Bert Sugar, thanks for visiting with us. That's the Sports Party for today. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow without Bert Sugar, but we'll see you tomorrow.